Alright, we have the lights on our deck installed now. I turned the exterior light off. So now you can see that the light cast on the deck is only from Alright, so this is a set of LED string lights that the manufacturer sent to me for review. This has 30 bulbs plus 2 spare bulbs, and it is remote controllable with the included remote, which is right here. Here's the 2 extra bulbs. Here's the AAA batteries there. And it comes with a letter from the manufacturer. Thank you for your trust and support, and we are very grateful. Very long set. Now these are plastic, so this is I would say you could still break them probably if you crush them, but in high winds or whatever, maybe this will be okay. I want to say they're probably shatterproof. Okay, so the difference among other light sets is that this comes with its own power supply. So this is a 120 volt power supply, and it outputs 24 volts. All right, so let's check out the remote. Put the batteries in the remote. Warning, the string lights are powered by DC 24 volts. Alright, so you can string these with another light set. I don't know how many, but if it becomes overloaded, this will automatically shut off. So let's see what the set looks like. And now it's on. Oh, look, it's got different modes. Okay. Flash, breathe. So, okay, so there's 3 different modes on this. Flash, breathing, so you can see the rate there of breathing. Looks like it's a period of about 5 seconds. Alright, so this is a set of 30 LED light bulbs on a string that comes with a remote control that you can use to control the brightness, and it even has a couple of modes for flashing, and then has a breathing mode, which would be interesting for a party, right? Alright, so we're going to hang these lights on our deck, and then we'll show you how we hang them and show you in the video. Alright, so we have the lights. We are going every like 1.5 feet, and I'm taking the tie wraps and I'm strapping them together. Yeah, so installation of these lights was pretty easy. They have eyelets on the end of each of them, so you don't have to worry about connecting to the wire. You just either have a hook, or like I did, I just used tie wraps to wrap it around the deck. Now, is that something I really want to see, tie wraps wrapped around the railing? Yeah, I might come up with a different solution. Like I might actually use a hook at the bottom of each one of these spaces in between the railing. But for now, it's good enough to let me get an idea of where I want the spacing. And that's something I can easily do. Just get like T-hooks or something, maybe stainless steel, so it'll withstand. But yeah, it's really happy with this light set, so it's good stuff. Alright, we have the lights on our deck installed now. I turned the exterior light off, so now you can see that the light cast on the deck is only from these lights. You can see that light. That's the light I turned off. So yeah, it'll be nice out here at night hanging out with family. So yeah, it's real nice.